Hello, and welcome to our lesson on warehousing and storage equipment. In this segment, we will continue discussing the objectives of good warehouse design and management. Similar to block storage, this system supports high-density inventory with approximately 70% pallet usage. The structure sustains pallet weight, making it ideal for products with irregular shapes. It allows for flexible installation heights and is suitable for drive-in and drive-through configurations. Take a look at the drive-in and drive-through configurations. The rack consists of vertical frames with cantilever beams at various heights. Forklifts access pallets between the vertical supports. Drive-in racks enable access from one end, while drive-through racks allow entry at one end and exit at the other. Tight forklift access in the racking limits speed due to narrow cantilever supports. Pallet condition is crucial, and precise construction tolerances reduce the risk of collisions. The recommended maximum height is 10-11 m with a narrow depth of 6 pallets. A recent development, this type of racking offers high-density storage and can be built to various heights. Pallets can be stored almost 4 deep on both sides of the access aisle. Inclined rails and trolleys facilitate efficient loading and unloading, enhancing selectivity compared to drive-in or block stacking systems. Lane-specific product lines are emphasized, but mixed products can be stored among lanes in any row. Adjustable pallet racking is a widely used storage system, allowing easy access to every pallet and accommodating various fork truck heights. It consists of horizontal beams and upright end frames with adjustable heights to match pallet loads. While academic theory suggests adapting vertical space to changing pallet heights, it's not commonly practiced. This racking system supports unit loads beyond pallets, with accessories like channel and drum supports. The layout typically involves a deep single row on each end and back-to-back rows in between, minimizing aisle requirements. Safety guidelines, provided by storage equipment manufacturers associations, dictate the vertical and horizontal spacing of components. While versatile and flexible, adjustable pallet racking falls short in building space utilization. Each aisle is wider than back-to-back pallets, resulting in less than 50% building space usage. Despite this drawback, it is suitable for both slow-moving and fast-moving stock, with typical pallet location utilization ranging from 90–95%. High-rack stacker trucks with sliding or rotating pallet handling mechanisms eliminate the need for turning in aisles, operating efficiently in narrow spaces. However, there are cost implications, including the need for flat and strong floors, and the higher expense of these trucks compared to reach trucks. Double-deep racking is a space-saving solution that enhances storage efficiency by allowing pallets to be stacked 2 deep. This is achieved by utilizing pairs of beams similar to adjustable pallet racking. While it optimizes space utilization by eliminating alternate access aisles, it comes with trade-offs. The need for double-deep reach trucks, which are more expensive than regular reach trucks, is essential for accessing the stock. Additionally, there is some loss of selectivity, as pallets are now stacked 2 deep, impacting the traditional first-in first-out inventory rotation. The bottom pallets in the racking must be positioned on raised beams to accommodate the legs of double-reach trucks. In contrast, individual deep, adjustable pallet racking allows the bottom pallet to sit directly on the floor. The powered mobile racking is an efficient form of single-deep, adjustable pallet racking. It consists of racks mounted on electrically powered base frames that move on floor-set rails. While it operates similarly to traditional pallet racking, it is slightly slower. The system provides high-density storage, typically with only one forklift access aisle. Safety trips on both sides of each mobile base frame ensure power is cut in case of obstructions or emergencies. Despite occupying a significant floor space and being slower in operation, it is suitable for items with low stock and throughput, particularly in cold storage applications where space costs are high. Live storage systems consist of inclined gravity roll conveyors arranged side by side on multiple vertical levels. Pallets enter at the high end and are retrieved as needed from the lower end, ensuring a first-in first-out order. Each lane holds pallets of the same item line, with only the outfeed end accessible. The conveyor's incline is crucial, often determined through trial and error by testing the pallets. Braking and end stops are incorporated to control pallet movement toward the discharge end. This system suits fast-moving item lines, facilitating efficient order picking and automatic refilling of vacant spaces, with physical separation between replenishment and picking operations. Although effective, live pallet storage is relatively expensive, with around 70% pallet position utilization. The choice of pallet type and condition is critical, sometimes requiring the use of slave pallets in certain applications. High bay warehouses utilize automated control stacker cranes to access racking, which can be designed as double deep or single deep. Stacker cranes typically need 1.5 meter to 1.6 meter aisles, and the standard pallet handling can reach heights of 40-45 meter. This design optimizes space utilization efficiently. Palletized storage systems for small products come in various types, resembling their larger pallet counterparts. This often involves integrating multiple systems, like incorporating cabinet and drawer units into shelving installations. Therefore, modularity and standardized equipment sizes are crucial for efficient small item storage systems. Shelving is versatile and customizable, with modular components allowing for various height options, shelf depths, and vertical spacing. The standard span width is typically around 1 m, but long span shelving is available for accommodating more extensive stock. The use of subdividers can create smaller compartments as needed. Access to shelving can be achieved through mezzanine or ground levels, with options for free or fixed path, lifting equipment like picking cranes and forklifts. Tote bins come in various materials like polypropylene, fiberboard, wire mesh, and galvanized steel. They're designed in modular sizes for easy stacking and nesting. The louvre panel is a convenient alternative to fixed storage, allowing effortless movement of tote bins between locations, from storage to manufacturing assembly. It offers simple attachment, removing totes and additional features like spigots for securing items like belts and gaskets. Drawer units may be incorporated or freestanding into shelving stores or module counters. Sub-separators enable specifically good use of drawer space, and many other fittings are suitable for such products as machine products and electronic components. The drawer offers good access to inventory/stock and gives a secure and clean environment. Shelves on carousels, driven by electric motor chains. Carousels come in two types, horizontal and vertical. In horizontal carousels, inventory in shelved baskets is suspended from an overhead motor-driven chain conveyor loop. The chain moves materials to the operator through the shortest distance, enhancing accessibility and security. Vertical carousels feature inventory on shelves suspended between motor-driven vertical chain loops. These shelves move up or down, taking the shortest route to deliver needed products. A key advantage of vertical carousels is their ability to utilize building space efficiently, even on the roof. Both carousel types require a defined working pattern for withdrawing and replenishing inventory simultaneously. Another system for small products is the mini-load, employing a computerized crane in a central aisle to retrieve and store items in tote containers or shelving on either side. Materials like linoleum, carpets, rods, tubes, and bars require specialized storage systems, distinct from standard ones discussed earlier. Cantilever racking, featuring support bars at various levels, is commonly employed for engineering applications, particularly for lengthy and rigid items like tubes and bars. Access to this storage typically involves four-directional reach trucks, overhead cranes, or side loaders, reducing the necessary aisle widths. Vertical toast rack storage is prevalent for heavy sheet or plate sections. Pigeonhole racking, accessible by forklifts with extended carpet booms, is suitable for long loads needing support along their length, such as carpet rolls. This is the end of our lesson. This course is presented to you by South Europe College. Thank you for listening, and see you on our next lesson.